Leica, you want me to throw your ball?
You didn't join.
You gotta bring it to me.
The junk.
You like
Feels
it a
bad, man.
ball?
You like the ball? Go get the ball. You're too retarded to know what that word is.
For real? Like straight up? Alright, cool.
Hey, baby butt. You wanna get in mommy's lap? Come here.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Science will reveal the truth.
I'm confused.
Yeah, me too. I'm just gonna be
I
happy.
guess role playing DPS.
Yeah, that's how everybody does it.
Sounds fun.
Either the
Sounds
healer
like
Yeah.
play an off tank.
Fine, fine. Oh my gosh. I
There we
would do
go.
tank.
Oh, they both went off tank.
I need some Zarya
1,
practice
2,
anyway.
3. Okay.
Alright, here we go.
We got
Nah, we need a
goofy
shield
plat
tank.
gold comp shit. Let's
Oh,
go.
never mind. You
This
took
is
it.
gonna suck.
This is
Anna
definitely
is a
gonna
main
suck.
player. Oh my god, she just threw a
It'll be
grenade.
Philip, you have the comp mate.
Yeah.
Oh
Right?
god.
We're gonna die.
I'll make it fair, I'm not complaining.
Maybe I should switch to
Torb
BB.
Diva
That
high
way we
ground?
kind of have a sort of tank.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
You sure?
down.
I'll be
Because I'm
playing
really
dive anyway.
crappy with Zarya. I really want to learn how to do her. Like,
Why
she's
is
such a
Widow
bop.
standing in front of their spawn door?
Because she's retarded.
Dirt down again.
Hey, where's my mercy?
Hog and Torb behind.
Fuck this. I'm playing monkey.
Protect Diana.
Why are they way up front?
No heals.
McCree's half.
Health, god damn it.
Ryan, hold still. I'm coming right now.
Mercy, like, I'm 35 health. Hi.
Widow orb coming to you.
Get out of here, squishies. Oh, she is on me, something fierce.
Our Mercy switches to Widowmaker. This is great.
McCree
Yeah, we
behind.
both need healing, something hard. And you're dead.
Hog somewhere.
Yeah, I'm backing up. Man, I have gold eliminations is 2 right now.
Want to switch, but okay.
Monkey. Junk come down the other side for healing. Never mind. Alright, regroup. Back it up, Zarya.
I think Zarya is going to be my
Back it
new
up,
favorite
Zarya,
tank.
please.
She's a bad bitch.
Yeah.
I
How
got picked.
far is her beam go?
Pretty fucking far.
Anna high ground. Just left our
Farther
junk.
than you think. If you put it against the wall and keep backing up, it creates a very, very small circle if you're touching the wall.
Huh.
So if you keep
What?
backing up, you'll notice when it stops touching.
No healer.
Oh, I need some healing.
Zarya orb coming to you.
No! It's almost like having on a solo healer is a bad idea.
No.
I don't think she's healing anyway.
First of all, I don't think you should tell her what to fucking do.
Huge, 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 huge.
Yeah. Gravity kills. I love it. Oh, she does. She gets like, what, 200? Nice. Aw, man, she got me. I haven't quite learned.
Pick,
What?
picks.
Why does Diva not get hit? What?
Alright, I'm gonna swap over to Brigitte. We need
Really?
some more healing.
Can she DM a hammer?
Big picks. Let's try to keep staggering him.
Come on, losers.
Torb right side.
Tracer behind. What is that Genji even doing? Widow, can you please find yourself a health kit?
What?
Nice.
I am dead.
Break, break, break.
I went around like an idiot.
Huge, huge, huge. Nice. Good job, everybody.
I'm very concerned that silver healing is 500.
That's pretty alarming.
Yeah, I'll fucking show you something alarming.
Select your hero.
Yeah, it's been ready to deploy forever. Their Lucio is getting cheeky, we're so bad. We need more cluster healing.
Lucio's not getting shit anymore.
There. Tracer, I will mess you up. There,
Slap a
golly.
bitch.
Alright, let me keep you all alive since our Ana doesn't know how to heal.
It's working. Thank you.
You're solo tanking, I'm so sorry. Come on, Junkrat, you're gonna frickin' die.
So somebody on my team
This dude is
Has
literally jumping over my heels.
has a top 500.
Like, it's hard to
badge.
not get it all over you.
What season did he get it in?
I don't
Come
know.
here,
It's
Lucio.
private.
Come here,
It might
Lucio.
also not be
Come on, Lucio.
comp. It might be a Lucio ball.
Come on, Lucio.
I'm fucking dead.
And I'm dead.
The true struggle is for the security.
I don't know. Doesn't matter. Nick, we got some watching to do later or tomorrow.
Okie dokie. Whenever you want.
It's mostly this game's healing, but it's mostly been
No.
off tank.
Okay. Cool. Good results.
2-2, I think. I think I've only recorded 2 games. I'm 1-1 in those. Fuck.
She's low. She's low. Come on, you're all playing. You're all being DPS. Come on.
I had like 1 health.
Oh, goodness me. Winston, please come back. I gotta focus. I am trying to heal you. Trying so hard.
You're focusing me so hard and nobody's picking anything.
I know. Nice. That's play. Oh golly, I hit the wrong button.
Get it. Now what? What the fuck?
That was just awful.
Our team was so bad.
Yeah, they were super bad.
Oh my god.
That's it. No.
Yeah, you. Of course it was you. Because the
Done.
rest of our team did absolutely
They're
nothing.
going high ground.
Shit. Thanks, Lucio.
That was an amazing timing, though. Like, nobody was getting the ulting Genji or the Pharah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Glad
they're
I got
doing.
that one on record.
I think they're
I
high
have
that site,
expected
but I
someone to
don't
type
wanna
in.
confuse
Sorry
them
for
when I'm
you
doing this.
throwers.
All love.
Maybe I should do a look for group. Why did you pick Ana? I want Ana.
We picked this the same Ana from last game.
It is.
We should-
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Take me with you.
I am. I'm taking you with me. I'm not gonna sit through that again. I'm gonna do a look for group.
Nice.
Yeah, do that.
Let's see. What should I name the group?
Dominic DeCoco's Fantasy Island Pina Colada Bar.
Alright.
I'm gonna take over his fucking
Dom.
rise power.
The Cocos. What was it? Fantasy Island?
Puerto Rican gay bar.
Puerto Rican gay bar. Alright. Dominic DeCoco's Fantasy Island Puerto Rican gay bar.
We're gonna get a bunch of gay guys in here.
Awesome!
God willing,
There's
you
a
know?
problem with that. I'm gonna have to turn my headphones down.
I turn my headphones up.
Who just, wait, what? I'm being invited? Oh no, you requested to join us.
Ah.
Oh, I lost my name. Hold on. Dominic
Fucking cake.
DeCoco's
Good job, guys.
Fantasy Island Puerto Rican.
Papapopeya.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright.
Blah 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 blah.